July into August, I mean, it's our hottest time of the year. Temperatures were pretty normal in the low to mid 90s. That's normal. Today, we're going to be a little hotter than that, though, so they're going to be above normal. Right now, we do have lots of sunshine. We have a few clouds kind of showing up here and there, but overall, the sunshine, it's certainly a beautiful start to the day. We started out in the 60s and 70s, but not quite there anymore. Now, let's go to Lynx 1. We did have some storms in Kansas, and we still have storms to the north and east, but they're primarily now over Missouri, now moving into Arkansas with a little bit of light rain kind of showing up near Miami, but that's pretty much it. So we're just going to be dealing with dry conditions and very hot conditions. So heat advisory for north central, northwestern Oklahoma and also along the Red River. This actually goes into effect tomorrow, but it will likely expand as well for the rest of the state because everyone's going to be seeing these very hot, brutally hot temperatures. But so far we've been lucky in Oklahoma City. We have not yet hit 100 degrees, but several locations, especially west of I-35, have already done that several times. In fact, in Altus, we've already done that 18 times. Guthrie camera, part of our Lucky Star Skycam network, sunny and very warm. We're still in the 80s. We're at 89 degrees. The south wind right now at 14, dew point of 66. So it does feel more like 91 degrees. Temperatures range from the low 80s right now. We have a little bit more cloud cover and a little bit of light rain near Miami to the mid 90s just north of Woodward and also up there in Harper County, but we've got low 100s already showing up in parts of southwest Oklahoma. We're at 89 in Stillwater, but 97 degrees in Kingfisher, 92 in El Reno, 93 in Hidden, 96 in Fort Cobb, and 99 already in Hobart. And this is already several degrees above where we were this time yesterday. Yesterday we had highs in the low 90s. So again, we're done with the low 90s. I just think we're just going to continue to climb. But here's the thing, as far as humidity is concerned, it's not going to be oppressive by any means, but we're still going to be in that sticky category all week. But with the dew point staying in the mid to upper 60s versus the 70s, that allows the air temperature to really start to take off. So it's one or the other. A south wind between about 15 to 25 miles an hour coming in out of the southwest, aiding in those warmer temperatures. The heat dome just to the west, and that's going to be making its way east, pretty much settling right on top of Oklahoma over the next several days. So it's going to really put us in this ring of fire, if you will. So what that means for us is it's going to be hot here, and there will be chances of storms, but it's going to go around that heat dome, so not necessarily in Oklahoma. So temperatures are going to have plenty of opportunity to make it into the 90s, some low 100s across the state. We even have that potential of making it to about 100 degrees by the end of the week. That will certainly at least be the potential is there, but by next week, the heat dome starts to back off maybe just a little bit. So for today, we're looking for a high of about 97 degrees in Oklahoma City versus the normal, which is 94. So not far from that, but still, we don't want to be there. 100 degrees in Alva, 100 today in Clinton, 101 in Altus, 99 later this afternoon in Lawton. Here's the thing, though, because it has been so dry in southwest Oklahoma, the relative humidity is going to be low. We're going to have a little bit more wind out of the southwest. The fire threat, that's going to be an issue this afternoon in southwest Oklahoma. Tonight, temperatures drop down into the low to mid 70s. The wind's going to be picking up a little bit more. Tomorrow's also going to be windy. Gusts as high as around 35 out west, but 98 degrees in Oklahoma City, 100 in Ponca City, 102 in Alva, 102 in Altus, 102 degrees in Lawton. By Wednesday, we're still looking at upper 90s, low 100s, not a huge difference there. It's just going to stay hot and it's going to stay dry. So I'm going with 99 Wednesday, Thursday. By Friday, I think that is the best day where we could see the highest potential of reaching at about 100 degrees, but we're not going to be far from that for several days on end. It looks like in those overnight lows staying warm. August 1st is next Tuesday. By then, it looks like maybe the heat dome might back off a little bit, but we're still talking about mid and upper 90s.